we're going to be doing a squat to press. You're going to need your bands. Put them underneath your feet, stand shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly out, your knees are pointed slightly out. You're going to lift your bands up so your palms are facing forward. Okay, nice straight arms. They should be 180 parallel to the floor. You're going to squat down into a squat as low as you can go. Have your core in tight. As you come up, you're pushing your arms straight up into a shoulder press. Come down, squeeze, push with your heels, engage your glutes. Come up, and arms go up straight. Down, up. From the side view, it looks like this. Arms are out to your side. Go straight down into a squat. Squeeze your core in tight. Come up, arms go up and down.